Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. New to Google Calendar? In this video, I will show you how to create events, schedule reminders, shares, share calendars, and stay organized all for free. First of all, go to calendar.google.com or from your web browser, click apps icon. Now search for calendar, find the calendar app and click on it. Now log into your account, Google account. You can also access it via the Google apps, create on Gmail, or use the mobile app on Android or iPhone. Okay. In the left side bar, calendar lists. Create button, then top bar, view selector, day, week, month, search settings, search button, then settings button. Main area, calendar grid with events. This is your main workspace. Use it to add, edit, and view all your events. Now, click the plus create button or click any spot on the calendar like Monday 2 p.m. Now, add a title like meeting with Sam. Then date and time, click on it and select the date like 5 Monday, then time 2:30 a.m. to 3:30 a.m. or p.m. Choose one from here, scroll down, that's it. Now you can add location, search for your location, you add guests, enter your guest email and select on click on it, it's added. In the add description, in the description field, add description or notes. Finally, click save and it's done. Adding guests will send them a Google Calendar invite via email. When creating an event, click on does not repeat to set recurring. Set recurring daily, weekly, or custom. Use notification settings to get email or pop-up reminders. You can also create personal reminders instead of events. Recurring events are great for classes, workouts, or work meetings. In the left sidebar, hover over calendar name. mm, Click the three dots. Make calendar public, share with specific people. Control permissions. You can create separate calendars for personal, work, and school, and color code them for clarity. And that's how to use Google Calendar as a beginner. If this helped, give it a like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Thanks for watching.